Hello, you're welcome to my channel. I am Designed by Tola, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. So let's get started. In drafting a basic sleeve pattern, the first thing you're going to need are your basic measurements. And the basic measurements you're going to be needing are your sleeve length, your armhole, your bicep, both the length and the circumference, your elbow, both the length and the circumference, your wrist, both the length and the circumference. Now for this tutorial.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to yet another video from your favorite sewing tutor here on YouTube, Designed by Tola. So today I have great news for you. Do not scroll up, just wait to the end of this. This is beautiful and you're going to really gain from this. All right, so according to popular demand, all right, as you all know from my channel here, Designed by Tola, I have made some videos, which one of them is how to draft a perfect basic sleeve pattern with over 75,000 views. All right, so as requested by my subscribers that I should go live to teach on how to make this perfect basic sleeve pattern, and I should make it a live video because the uploaded video is a little bit short, and you know they want me to extend this video, and so they want me to make this video a live session. All right, so please, this is also an apology to all of you that have requested for one video or the other. Trust me, your videos are going to come. I'm going to make your videos, but it's just that, you know, because of the timing, the editing, the timing, and other requested videos coming up on the channel, that is why there is a little bit of delay. But trust me, all your requested videos are never forgotten, and I'm going to treat them accordingly, and I'm also going to post a video on all of them as well. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry, apologies. You know, here on my channel, whenever you request for a video from me, I try as much as possible to make these videos. All right, so this is an example of a requested video here on your screen. This also is an example of a requested video. This also is an example of a requested video. This also is an example of a requested video, and so lots of them like that. All right, so I'm going to be making this video on how to draft a perfect sleeve pattern on the 25th of this month, which is on the 25th of March 2025. And please, I'm going to be making it 3 a.m. all right, why I'm making it 3 a.m. is I have a lot of people that, you know, said because of work, so they prefer it to be 3 a.m. because of work, because in the morning they'll be at work, afternoon they'll be at work, then evening. So that is why I'm putting it at 3 a.m. Please guys, if you know this time are not really fitting your schedule, please, I'm apologizing for any inconveniences this might cost, but please, I want you to come. I want everyone to be there. That is why I'm specifically inviting you watching this video right now, to be there on the 25th of this month, 25th of March 2025, 3 a.m. Please, let us make it 26th of March, sorry, 26th of March, 3 a.m. please, on 3 o'clock early morning or midnight. I don't know how you guys put it. Some say midnight, some say early morning, some say the early hours of the day, whichever one you guys ascribe to it, but 3 a.m. on the 26th of March. Please, I want you to be there. I want you to share this video also to people, inform your friends, inform your family, share this video on your platforms, so that this video can get to as many people as possible, so that the turnout can be massive. I'm doing this for you guys, all right? So I need you to turn up for me as well, all right? And oh, my bag, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. This bag was made by me from scratch. Okay, and another thing is I sell these bags. Yeah, as you can see, I sell them, and it's made from fabric, just from fabrics, and this bag doesn't even cost much. Okay, so I teach people on how to make bags as well to sell, because the making of this bag, like at most like 30 to 45 minutes, at most 1 hour, you should be done with the making of this bag. So if you are a stay-at-home mom, or you're a 9 to 5 worker, maybe you work in a bank or you work anywhere, 9 to 5 or 8 to 5, whatever, and you need a side business, a side also that will fetch you money. Particularly, I am advising you to pick up this class. All right, I'm advising you to take this bag. The cost price of this bag is so little, because all you need to do is just, you can even use scrap material. Don't necessarily need to, get large quantity, because just to make this bag is not even up to a yard, like half of it, just half a yard to make this bag, and then the zipper, and then the interface, and that's all. That's basically, and then the stone. Definitely, I made the stone myself, and you can even do that with the aid of a gun. Make the stone, or even if you have a stoning machine, it's very simple and easy to make. All right, in a day you can make as many as possible, and then you sell. So this is just one of them. I have them in different shapes. So I have the round ones, I have the ones I made with the gym materials, I have the one I made with different types. I really have classes on this that I take classes on this, but on my channel here very soon I'm going to drop a video on how to make this bag. All right, if you're interested, just keep up with the channel. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, hit on the subscribe button, like this video, share, comment, please guys. I want to see your comments, I want to see your shares. I want you guys to share this video, share my platform, share my channel. Let it get to a larger audience, guys. Let it get to a larger audience. And also, if you really want me to take you through the classes, you want me to teach you how to make different types of bags, all right, I have a class for that. So the WhatsApp number you're seeing right here on the screen, just type send I am interested to their WhatsApp number that you see right now on the screen, and I am going to take it from there. All right, so this is going to be a class where I'm going to teach you how to make various types of bags. This is just one of it, various types of bags, various designs. All right, so just type I am interested to this WhatsApp number you're seeing right here on the screen. I'm going to take it up from there. Thank you so much. If you have watched this video to this point, thank you so much. Thank you. You deserve my love. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate you. Till I see you in my next, please do not forget to subscribe. If you need to subscribe to this channel, I love you so much. Mwah. Subscribe to this channel, share this channel, just do everything possible positively, all right, to help this channel grow. Thank you. Till I see you in my next one, please do have a great day.